Hey guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at MNK, Malin I'm not even going to try to say that. Um, if we take a look here at Market Watch, it looks like they released earnings this morning. And yes, 9:17 right before the bell. And apparently they were good news because the stock moved up. So let's take a look at the levels here. Oh, give one second. Let me move it here. So let's take a look at where the candle opened 19. And by the way, guys, this is not a stock that I would trade normally, just because I only trade stocks between $2 and $9. Um, Due to my account size, I just find it easier to manage risk trading those uh, prices, that price range between 2 and 9. But I want to take a look at this stock because I may trade a stock like this in the future. I just want to start learning from the chart. So let's take a look here. So the move started at 1893, and we have the high. Well, the high is actually right over here. We have the high at 2185. So it's a pretty damn big move. I mean, that's what 1893, 1993, 2093. That's over almost $3. So big move. Uh, Over the course of three candles, the third candle closing red. But let's take a look at the volume here. So first candle, 3 million shares of volume. Second candle, 1.1 million shares of volume. Third candle, same 1.1 million shares of volume. And then we have this drop, uh, roughly about, I would say 70% of the breakout move. And, it taps the 9 EMA. So this would have been a fantastic place to buy. And on the next candle, well, and this happens on a lower volume, lower compared to the first breakout candle, but it's actually right about the same as the second and the third candle. But so 1.2 million shares of volume. So next candle, we have this doji here, much lower volume, 648,000 shares of volume. And this is what you want to see. I would say that this is almost a picture perfect 5 minute setup. The reason I say almost is because we didn't see a big breakout right after, or right at the breakout point, right after this doji here. So some of you know, the breakout point is the high of the previous candle. So that would have been 2035. And yes, it actually made a big move. It's 2060. That's 25 cents. Um, but if you compare it to the big breakout move, it wasn't it wasn't as big of a move. So this happened on lower volume, and we see that you know as it starts going up, the volume stays actually right about the same. Um, it seems like the buyers who bought over here at the breakout were actually keeping their stocks, and just holding it. As more traders were noticing the stock, they just kept driving the price higher. And it got all the way up to, well, I guess this one right here, 2195. So that's a big move from 2035 all the way to 2195. Again, it's not a picture perfect second breakout where it happens over the course of 1 to 3 candles, but still, with some patience, you could have had a nice gain here on the way up. So that's the review for MNK. Really nice stock. It's just not one of a stock that I would trade right now. Not in my price range. Um, if you have any questions or any suggestions, any thoughts, just please let me know in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next review. Have a good one, guys.